Hey guys, this is the start of the journey of my restoration.
Nice white color.
Thank you, sir. Not the color. So I'm at Beamer's Advocate Garage over here. A friend of mine, Dave, and yes, this is it. So primer is on the car, and soon I'll get the paint on it. It's gonna be stock yellow, pastel yellow, and I'm liking the way it looks right now. Vibing it, man, vibing it. Okay, come check out Beamer's Garage. Check out this car, bro. You must check out the car inside. So that's Dave's personal car, E60. Beautiful, look at that. Awesome, right? And these are some of his collections, you can see. Yeah, his place is more of a showroom than actually anything else. This is on SS. So, yeah, Porsche too. Check out the light. Yeah, so Dave is really an artist when it comes to doing work. This is also a project we're doing. This is our coupe. Oh, look at that, the ducktail. Yep, more video on this coming out. But yeah, so thanks Dave for taking my car in, and my bumper here getting painted. Oh, beautiful. Front and rear. Nice. Can't wait.